audible?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, class. Have you done the last day homework? Class. Everyone, have you
Yes, sir.
done your homework or not?
Yes.
Where your pen notebook? If you come in the school, come with your pen notebook every day. So last, I think question number 2 was covered. Now we will continue with question number 3rd.
Question number 3rd.
Okay. Question number 3rd. Look at question number 3rd. Cadets are marching in parade. Miss cadets means suppose have you seen the NCC cadets? Cadets means like a soldier. They are doing a parade. Have you seen this scene ever up to now? No. Have you seen the soldiers? You're not never seen the soldiers.
Soldier scene, sir.
Huh?
Scene.
Okay. So sometimes soldiers doing a parade means they are on TV you have watched at the time of Republic Day or Independence Day. They are doing parade over there. So like this thing, NCC cadets are looks like same, not exactly. NCC cadets are looks like same. They are doing parade. There are 5 cadets in a row. Suppose in this row, what happening? Okay. Suppose in a row there will be 5 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There will be 5 members in a row. What is the rule or which gives the number of cadets, gives the number of rows? Use n for the number of rows. Let a number of rows. How many n? And number of cadets. How many cadets in a row? There will be 5. So what is the rule which gives the number of cadets? So number of cadets is equals to, tell me, in a row, in a single row there are 5 cadets. Suppose in the for same
Sir,
rows,
what is this?
cadets means NCC cadets mean there will be these are the pupils. Means soldiers, you can consider as soldiers. Soldiers marching in row, 5 in this row, 5 in another row, 5 in another row.
Yes, sir.
So there will be n rows. So total number of cadets is equals to 5n. Okay. In this row there will be 5. In this row again 5. In this row again 5. So there will be, if n rows are over there, so total number of cadets are, how many total number of cadets are? Tell me. There will be 5
Take question again.
There will be 5n cadets. Which anybody come later? So look at here. I'm starting this question. I will again I will repeat this question. Question number 3rd. Cadets are marching in a parade. Cadets means you can consider as soldiers, Indian Army soldiers. They are marching a parade. In a single row, there are 5 soldiers, 5 cadets. So if there are n rows, there will be n rows means we don't know how many rows are there. but in a one row 5, another row again 5, another row again 5. So if there will be n rows, then the total number of cadets will be 5n. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. There will be 5n. Now question number 4. Question number 4.
Sir, n means?
N means number of cadets. Sorry, n means number of rows. N means number of rows. Or number of cadets means 5. In one row there are 5 cadets. If there will be n rows, there will
Yes,
be
sir.
total number of cadets are 5n. Similarly, in question number 4, there will be 550 mangoes in a box. Suppose this is a box. In one box, 50 mangoes are over there. How many mangoes?
50.
50 mangoes in one box. How will you write the total number of mangoes in a terms of number of boxes? Use B for the number of boxes. So number of boxes. How many boxes are over there? Number of boxes is equals to B, and the number of mangoes in a box is equals to 50. So total number of mangoes. Tell me anyone. Total number of mangoes.
Sir, tell once again. Your voice is breaking, sir.
Total number of, if there will be n box, B boxes are over there, and in a single box there will be 50 mangoes. So how many mangoes?
B box means 2 box.
B box means not 2 boxes. B will be any number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100,000 lakhs, whatever. If one box 50, 2 box 100, 3 box 150. Similarly, what we are trying to do is here 50 into 1, 50 into 2, 50 into 3. Similarly, if there will be B boxes, then 50 into B. That will be 50 B mangoes are over there in B number of boxes. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Take a screenshot of this one. Take a screenshot of this one. Now 50B is the answer. Here, now take the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Now question number fifth. The teachers distributes 5 pencils per student. So number of pencils are how many? 5. And the number of students will be S. Number of look at the number of students will be S. So total number of students. So total number of pencils. Yes, 5 into S. You can write it down in this way. S. In this way. Pencils.
Yes.
Question number 6. Pencils, beta. Pencils.
So write with this handwriting.
I don't know why it's so light. think this will be changed. I think yes. Now is it okay? Now question number 6. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by bird in terms of flying time in minutes? Use T for very easy. The answer of 6 will be 6 1 kilometer in 1 minute. So 1 kilometer in 1 minute, so T minutes into T kilometer. So that means what we have to find the distance in kilometer. That will be T kilometer, because in 1 kilometer it traveled in 1 minute. So in T minutes he traveled T kilometer. Okay, class?
Yes.
These are very easy questions. Very easy. Now question number 7. Look at there. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder. Look at the figure. She has 9 dots in a row. Suppose in a row there will be 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In one row. How many dots will her rangoli have a R rows? So if number of rows is equals to R and number of dots in a row means one row, that will be how many? 9 dots. So in 9 row in R rows, how many dots are over there? There will be 9R. Similarly, means we have to multiply them. 9R. So
9 into R.
Number of dots is equals to 9R. This is first part. What about second part of this question? How many dots are there if there will be 8 rows? If there is 10 rows. So look at here. Here number of rows will be 8 rows. Okay. So here R is equals to 8. Here given means R is the number of rows. So R is equals to 8. This implies that 9 into 8, that will be
72.
72 dots. And if R is equals to 10, this means 9 into
90.
9 into 10, that will be 90 dots.
90.
Okay, class?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll tell you
Yes.
in one row there will be 9 dots. Similarly, the 8 rows में कितने dots होंगे? 9 into 8. And 9 dots में
72.
70.
10 dots में 10 rows में 10 into 9 90.
90.
Very easy. You can directly find the best. They have to find by this rule. We have to find by this rule. So now next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Class, after completion of this chapter, we will do Collins workbook. Okay.
Yes.
After complete, because I have started this chapter, so I need to finish this chapter. Then we will continue with Collins workbook. Okay. Whatever the chapters done by me in the class, firstly I will complete these chapters in Collins workbook. Then after, if the remaining chapters are remains before me, whoever taught you, I don't know. So I will complete later by these chapters. I mean, these chapters completed by me in the later, but firstly I will complete mine chapter that is completed by me in the class. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now question number 9. On your video, everyone. I want to take your.
Sir, 8.
On your video, everyone. I am going to take your attendance. If anybody on offline in the video, then they are absent. That's Mangesh is very good students. तुरंत वीडियो में आता है जब कोई अटेंडेंस के लिए गए लोग. वेरी गुड मंगेश बेटा. आपके पापा आए थे उस दिन, बुक नोटबुक मिल गई आपको मंगेश?
Yes.
Prateek Munde, Chittit Sinde, on your video, otherwise you are absent from the class. This is last warning to you. Chitej
Sir,
and Prateek.
wait, I'm opening in 2-3 minutes. Wait, sir.
Prateek Munde, Aryan Musle. They are not in the video, so they are absent. I already told you, if you are not in the video, then definitely you are absent from the class. Now, question number 8. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Look at there, two girls are Leela. What happened with this? Leela and Radha. Two girls. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Means Leela is younger sister of Radha's. Means who one is younger, Radha or Leela?
Radha.
Huh?
Sir, Leela.
There will be two girls, Leela and Radha. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela क्या है? Radha की younger sister है. That means who one is younger sister, Leela or Radha? Firstly, tell me. Leela is, because Leela है ना आपकी younger sister. This is younger sister. Okay. Okay. And after this
Yes.
one, Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Means Leela क्या है आपकी 4 years younger है Radha से. Can you write the Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Of course. Take the Radha's age. So let Radha age will be X, because in the question take Radha age to be X years. Radha age will be X. So this will be how many years of Leela? What is the age of Leela? Tell me anyone. Anyone age of Leela? Why 4? Age of Leela. Tell me. 4 times है क्या? Look at there. Suppose I am 30 years and you are 10 years. So who is younger? Hello?
You.
I'm audible, class?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I am 30 years and you are 10 years. So who is younger?
I, sir.
Huh? You.
I.
Tell me.
I, sir.
Okay. That means this is younger. This means Radha age will be how much? Radha will be X.
Sir, what is
Radha will be X. Age, AGE. Yes, this will be written clearly. If not, you are not able to understand, I will erase this one, then write it again. Age of Leela. Tell me anyone. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. That means what? No one look at the answer sheet.
Sir, tell once again.
If Radha age will be X years and Leela is younger than Radha, the age of Leela? Very easy, beta. X minus 4. Because Radha is a younger sister of Leela, or you can say this simply Leela is younger sister of Radha. So very easy. Leela has 4 years less than the age of Radha. Suppose you are younger than me, that means you are 20 years less than me. Look at there, 30 minus 10. आप मुझसे 20 साल छोटे हो कि नहीं छोटे? क्यों बेटा? Are you
Yes,
getting me?
sir.
तो सर लीला की भी एज नहीं बताइए ना।
हाँ? हाँ, this is a Leela age of Leela. Suppose Radha is X. Radha is X. And this is Radha, this is Leela. This is Radha is bigger than, means elder than Leela. This means his age, her age will be more than her age, isn't it?
सर
I think you are not getting me, so I will repeat it again. I will look at here.
सर पर ये तो नहीं बताया ना कि ये लीला राधा से कितनी बड़ी है।
No. Look at here. Leela is younger. Radha is younger sister. Means Leela age is definitely less than Radha age. This is clear to you or not? Tell me. Suppose I am 30 years, and you are 10 years. So who is younger? Tell me firstly. Who is younger?
You.
Huh?
Sir, 10 years.
I.
Who is younger, beta?
Sir, 10.
You know younger or elder difference?
Yes, sir. Younger means छोटा, elder means बड़ा.
हाँ, तो आप कौन छोटा है इनमें से? आप हो कि मैं छोटा?
हम.
हाँ, okay. Now look here. So what is the difference of these ages? 30 minus 10.
20 years.
That will 20. Okay. Now Radha age will be X. That means she is elder sister of Leela. If she is Leela is 4 years less than. It is written over there. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha, means 4 साल छोटी है. Okay. That means whatever the age of Radha will be here, it will be less than 4, means subtract by 4. Because here we is 30 minus 10. The difference will be this one. Okay. So what is the age of this one? This is basically age of Leela. Because Leela is 4 years younger, 4 साल छोटी है. मान लो यहाँ पर राधा 10 years की है, तो आपकी लीला कितने साल की?
Sir, tell me the page number.
हाँ?
Tell me the page number.
Means who is asking this question?
Sir, I especially because network was so low, I will have to delete Zoom and then I want to download it. That's why I was late.
This is a biggest mistake by you, beta, because you know the time was 1:15, and it's if you guys are coming late, you nothing to get from here. This is promise to me, promise to you from my side. If you are coming late in the class, nothing get from here. So please request come on time. I am talking about page number 227, exercise 11.1. We are discussing this thing. So I am repeating this question one more time. Look at here. I am repeating this question one more time. Those who are coming later, for you only I am repeating this question. Look at the, this is, there will be Leela, one girl, and there will be Radha. Leela is younger. Leela is a younger sister of Radha. And she is definitely elder. So if Radha's age will be X, what's Leela age? Before 4 years, if 4 years is younger than Radha. That means definitely it will be X minus 4 beta. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
4 years, X minus 4. Because suppose 30 years is mine, your is 10, you are definitely younger, I am definitely elder. So difference of these age will be 20. So difference of these age will be this one. Okay. If we know the value of X, then we are able to find the value of Leela. Suppose Radha will be 15 years. So what will be the age of Leela if she is younger? Of course 11.
11.
Of course 11. Definitely. Because 4 years younger than Radha, that means Leela age will be less than 4 years from Radha. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I hope this thing is clear to you.
Yes.
Okay, the answer of Leela and anything else in the question, I think one more part is that. Okay, it is okay. This is the answer of Leela's age. Can you write Leela age in terms of Radha age? Yes, of course. This is the Leela age in terms of Radha age. So this is the answer. This is your okay. This is your answer, Radha younger. This is Leela age. Leela age. Take a screenshot. Done.
Yes, sir. Taken.
9 number. Look at here. Mother has made laddus. Mummy ने लड्डू बनाए. She gives some laddus to guest and family members. मतलब मम्मा ने लड्डू बनाए, कुछ family members को दे दिए, कुछ guest को दे दिए. Still 5 laddus remains. फिर भी 5 लड्डू आपके बच गए जितने बनाए थे. तो look at here. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, यानी कि number of laddus mother gave away मतलब दे दिए. So number of laddus gave away, that will be L. कितने मतलब क्या हुआ लड्डू दे दिए मम्मा ने किसको? गेस्ट और फैमिली मेंबर्स को. How many laddus did she make? And remaining laddu कितने हुए भैया? Remaining laddu was there. Laddu was 5. So number of laddus made. Tell me, how many laddus are over there?
L plus 5.
L plus 5. Very easy. Because suppose मम्मा ने 100 लड्डू बनाए. ओके, ठीक है बेटा. अभी बनाए नहीं, चलो बनाए बाद में ढूंढेंगे. मतलब 50 लड्डू दे दिए उन्होंने और 10 लड्डू बच गए. कितने लड्डू बनाए होंगे उन्होंने? सीरीज वाले 60 बनाए होंगे. इज दिस ओके?
Yes.
Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 10. Each question solved by me. So you have to only copy or share this in after the class was over. Look at the 10 number. Orange are to be transferred from larger box into smaller box. Means this is suppose larger box and this is suppose a smaller box. A smaller larger. When a large box is emptied, means this is larger, this is smaller. When a large means orange are transferred from here to here, means बड़े से छोटे में ऑरेंज क्या हो रहे हैं, ट्रांसफर किए जा रहे हैं, तो बड़ा वाला डब्बा खाली हो जाता है. The orange from it will two smaller boxes, means two smaller boxes में आपके जितने भी ऑरेंज थे आपके यहाँ पे इसमें आ गए, इसमें आ गए. Is this diagram is clear to you? Means all orange from here transfer to this one and this one, because all the oranges from means larger box with two smaller box, and as well as still 10 orange remains outside, or these boxes are filled but still 10 orange remain. That means larger box में 10 orange extra थे, तभी तो यहाँ पे इन दोनों boxes fill होने के बाद बच गए यहाँ पर. Is it okay, class?
Yes, sir.
Mean from larger these boxes will be filled. Mean छोटे वाले box आपके fill हो गए, फिर भी 10 orange आपके बचे हैं. That means there will be 10 extra orange are over there in large box. Okay. So now what is the question asked to us? If the number of orange small box are taken to be x, so let a number of box will be here, small box x. Okay, number of orange in small box are taken to be x. So there will be two boxes. So number of orange in two small boxes, this will be 2x.
2 multiplied by plus 10. 2x plus 10.
Are taken to be x. What is the number of orange in larger box? Look at
2x
there.
plus 10.
Look at 10 will remain in one box. There will be x. If in one box or in all the box. If the number of orange in a small box are taken to be x, means in one small box there will be x, and another one. So total number of orange in two boxes will be 2x. Is this okay? This is okay or not? So number of orange. This is okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
In larger box. So how many orange are over? Because 10 is extra. So whatever in the small boxes, okay, and plus 10 was extra. So the number of boxes in large box will be this one. Because 10 will be extra, 2x will be filled over from here to here in both boxes. Okay, class? Okay. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now this time only 5 students. Rest are left the class. Okay, I will complain definitely by your class teacher. Only 5 students are over there. 4 students are 5 students are over there. Rest are left, so I will absent them. Rest of them are absent who are left the class. At present time they are present. This attendance will be in the register. You don't know? Who is Samarth Monday? Who is Samarth Monday? Anyone know?
No,
So from
sir, sir, I think so. Vaishnavi Munde's brother. I think so. She's doing on his ID.
means it is an adult section.
Vaishnavi Munde's brother.
Oh, Vaishnavi Monday's brother Samarth Monday. So he is online. And which standard he is studying?
What, sir?
In which standard Samarth Monday is studying in our school?
Samarth Munde is in 4th standard.
Why he joined the 6th class? I don't know why.
Sir,
Samarth, on your video, beta.
Sir, in our class, Vaishnavi Munde's name, a girl is there. Her brother name is Samarth Munde, and I think so that he has
Okay,
done
got
class
it.
on.
Okay, on your video, what's the name? Sister? Vaishnavi, on your video, beta. No video, no audio. So,
Sir, Samarth Munde has not connected to audio.
so this is the answer of this question number 10. 2x plus 10. Now only 3 minutes remains. I will complete question number 11. Question number 11. Look at there in your textbook. Look at the following matchsticks pattern. The squares are not separate. Two neighbors squares have common matchsticks. Observe the pattern. Find the number of. Look at there in A. In A there will be how many sticks? Matchsticks. There will be 4. There will be 4. And B1 4 3 7. Look at their count over there. 4 and 3 was extra. 3 matchsticks are extra. Look at there. This matchstick 1 2 3 4. Okay. So 1 2 3 4. Now in second there will be one matchstick. This one, this one, this one. Means second one there will be 3 matchsticks only. Here 4, isn't it? In next one also there will be 4 matchsticks in this way. Now 3, now 3. Is this okay, class? Class. So in next
Yes.
one there will be 10. And then after going on. The pattern will be, what is that? Pattern will be 4n plus 3, because 3 is more than in every coming match means pattern. Look at there will be 4, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 6. In this way 4
Sir, last
plus,
one 13.
yes.
Last one 13.
In terms of number of squares, so if you remove the vertical sticks at the end, you will get the pattern siege. This one. Wait on what the question asks from us. Observe the pattern and find the rule that gives the number of matchsticks. A, B, C, D. Basically, pattern of these matchsticks is this one. Okay, because time is getting running out, keep screenshots this one. We will continue tomorrow this question.